Hey guys, this video you want to know before you guys are new to this game. So don't skip this video. There is some tips for you, like how to upgrade your squad and play, how to bust an enemy squad properly, and also how to finish the game top first rank like me. Let's go. Okay, let's see how to play this game. It is a casual strategy game in which the player collects coins and gems from other squads, from loot scattered on the map, and from monsters. Next, with chest price con, you are asked to choose between 3 random characters in your possession, and to obtain other characters during the course of the match, it is necessary to collect coins which can be found in the same way as gems. When the necessary coins have been obtained, the player can approach one chest that requires a specific number of coins, which increases based on how many characters you have at the time, to again choose one of 3 random characters. How to bust or finish a squad easily. First, you need select a powerful character from one of 3 after you open new chest in a game. This leads to make your squad more powerful and easy to bust a squad. Tip: you can check each character's health, defense, and ability here. Secondly, there are types of sounds when fighting with a squad. This is a sound when you finish your opponent's squad mate. So don't give up. It's a time to bust the whole squad. And this is a sound when your squad mate busts by the opponent's squad. This is time to run and heal. Make your power. Best part is you don't want collect coins to open chest. From the start of the match, focus to bust a squad, then you will be able open a chest for free after every squad's busted by you. Follow these tips and try to implement this on game, and here comes you will be winner. Happy busting with your squad from now. If this video is helpful, make a change in this game. Hit the like, and for more videos subscribe our channel. See you in next video.